Haunted houses are always scary. But you know what is scary in New York? A haunted house inside the subway. This year during Halloween, NYPD and MTA did a pop-up haunted house in Union Square Station, and I went there that day. New York subway is old but full of arts. Bus guards, traditional artworks, modern artworks, old and new buildings. I thought that the haunted houses were gonna be really scary, but I didn't realize that the nightmare had already started the moment I stepped into the subway station. I couldn't even find the lines. The subway is so overwhelming. Opened in 1904 with 472 stations and 27 subway lines, New York City subway is said to be one of the world's oldest and most complicated subway systems. The good thing about the MTA is that it runs 24/7. But the bad thing is that, well, there is a lot. No signal service, no idea where you're going, no light sometimes. Ooh, somebody's eating something. Are those nachos? Ooh, they look so yummy. I'm feeling hungry, so I decided to look for food inside the subway station. Where's the food? Wait a minute, aren't those churros? Originating in Spain and Portugal and popular in Latin America, churros always seem so delicious in the subway. It smells really good. Yummy. Wait a second. Did I just eat the bag? Oh no! Whatever, as long as it's delicious. The line for the haunted house was really long. So many people were waiting to be scared. I mean, the New York subway is already scary enough. So how scary can the haunted house be? Okay, turnout was not a good experience. And I really don't want to talk about it. New York subway station can be really scary and tough sometimes, and that really lowers people's mood. But at least I know a beautiful place for MTA riders, the Roosevelt Island Tramway. Even though I had a tough day in the subway, there's still a place for me to chill.